about one sample Python program to validate the valid number checker with even or odd deduction. Okay, basically here the line number I'm using PyCharm community edition to write this code. Okay, let's quickly jump into it, like about the program, then we'll do the practical demo how the code is working. Okay, so here the first line number 3 is the boolean function, boolean variable you define, status equal to true. So as long as the true the status is true, the loop will continue. When the loop set to false, automatically it will break the loop and it will come out of the loop. So here in the line number 5 we are trying to catch an exception. If there is any invalid or invalid number, symbols or text, anything you try to enter, automatically it will stay into the loop since the condition didn't fall into false. So the line number and also if there is a negative number, that time also it will stay into the loop, so it will continue into the loop. Whereas when it reaches to the positive integer number, whatever you entered, it will try to validate if that particular positive number is even number, then it will go and validate the modulus operator and check for it and return it's written as even number. Otherwise it will go to the odd number and it will set to false and it will come out of the loop. But any chance if you try to, after finish a successful execution the program, if you want to interrupt the keyboard by any chance, so that time it should not should to get the program gracefully out of the loop, like so. This is the valid exception, you can use it, called keyboard interrupt. Okay, so and again you have to set the boolean to false so that it will gracefully come out of it. Like I mentioned before in the beginning, if there is any exception like invalid number, text, anything you are entering, that time automatically it will get into this exception value error exception and it will stay into the loop until you are giving the positive integer. Okay, let's quickly try to demonstrate. Okay, I'm going to run it like very first time. If I try to give negative number, okay, it will say, it will raise an exception, number cannot be negative. So this is what line number 8. Okay, so it will stay into the loop since the condition still says true. Okay, if I try to enter any text or something, like it will say, it will get into the value error exception, line number 20, invalid input, please enter the valid integer. Okay, so even any symbols, anything if I am giving, so this is the number I'm giving, so it is try to validate the number. In case like I'm trying to re-enter, so if I try to give some symbol or something, see, so that's what, like otherwise, right, like I mentioned, like if I give even number, it will say even number, and if I try to re-execute the program and check it out, like odd number, it will say odd number. So then if I try to execute the program again and to validate any keyboard interruption, like I try to stop the program as a keyboard interruption, automatically it will say program interrupted by user exiting safely. This is the keyboard interrupt exception, how we handle it. Okay, this is a quick idea about one small Python construct what we discussed to validate the valid number checker with even or odd detection, how the loops continuously working, validating as long as it stays true for the invalid number or text or any symbols, anything, whatever you give it, and if there is any negative number, that time also it will stay into the loop until since the condition stays true. And finally, if there is a positive number, so it will validate and it will check for the even number or odd number, it will return it. If there is any keyboard interrupt, it will interrupt gracefully and come out of the program. Okay, the value error also I have already explained. Hope this video helpful. Please if there is any questions